It's always exciting to get your hands on the latest tech, especially when it's the new Galaxy S25 Ultra. The moment I unboxed it, I knew I was in for a treat. This isn't just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Over the past 48 hours, I've been putting the S25 Ultra through its paces, and I'm ready to share my initial impressions. From the ultra-wide camera to the AI features and design refinements, Samsung has packed a lot into this device. The S25 Ultra is a statement piece, a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation. In this review, I'll delve into the standout features that have impressed me the most during my initial 48 hours with the device. Get ready to explore the reality-bending capabilities of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's more than just a phone. It's a powerful tool that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Join me as I break down my experience and share the highlights of this impressive device. Let's talk about the ultra-wide camera. Samsung has really outdone themselves here. The S25 Ultra boasts a new 50-megapixel sensor on its ultra-wide lens. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. The results speak for themselves. The detail and dynamic range captured, especially in high-contrast scenarios, are remarkable. One of the things I love most about this camera is its versatility. Not only does it excel at capturing breathtaking landscapes, but it also doubles as a macro lens. This means you can get up close and personal with your subject, capturing intricate textures and details that were previously impossible with a smartphone camera. While the ultra-wide camera's quality is a step down from the main camera, it's still very impressive. You might notice slightly less detail in shadows and a narrower dynamic range, but the overall results are often stunning. The dramatic distortion and incredible detail make it a standout feature of the S25 Ultra. Samsung has gone all in on AI with the S25 Ultra. They've partnered with Google for features that require a Google account, and Samsung accounts power the on-device and Bixby features. This integration is designed to make your life easier and more connected than ever before. One example of this is the Gemini interface. Accessed by long pressing the power button, Gemini can execute complex commands. For example, you can ask it to add events to your calendar or send messages. The Now bar on the lock screen provides live updates, keeping you informed at a glance. However, it currently has limited third-party app support, which hopefully will change in the future. Samsung's AI integration is ambitious, and while there are still some kinks to work out, the potential is undeniable. As AI technology continues to evolve, the S25 Ultra is well-positioned to take full advantage of its capabilities. Samsung has refined the design of the S25 Ultra, making it even more sleek and comfortable to hold. The rounded corners and flat edges provide a more ergonomic grip. It's also lighter than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, which is always a plus. The screen is another area where Samsung has made significant improvements. The bezels are thinner than ever, creating a more immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just browsing the web, the S25 Ultra's display is a joy to behold. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and a 5,000 mAh battery. This translates to blazing fast performance and all-day battery life. The S25 Ultra can handle anything you throw at it, from demanding games to multitasking with ease. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is an impressive device that pushes the boundaries of what's possible with a smartphone. From its incredible camera capabilities to its powerful performance and sleek design, the S25 Ultra is a true flagship phone that lives up to the hype.